Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 15a. Now we can do question number 6 onwards. In triangle ABC, BM perpendicular to AC and CN perpendicular to AB, show that AB by AC is equal to BM by CN is equal to AM by AN. Given BM perpendicular to AC. Since BM perpendicular to AC, this angle will be 90 degree. Similarly, given NC, that is CN perpendicular to AB, so this angle also will be 90 degree. So it is given there. Consider triangle AMB. Look at triangle AMB and ANC. If you are considering these two triangles, angle A is common in both. Angle A is equal to angle A and AMB is equal to ANC is equal to 90 degree. AMB is equal to 90 degree and ANC is also 90 degree, since these two are the perpendiculars. So we can write it as 90 degree. It is given there. So we can write triangle AMB is similar to triangle ANC using AA postulate. So since these two triangles are similar, we can write AB divided by AC, AB divided by AC, AB divided by AC is equal to BM divided by CN, which is equal to AM divided by AN, AM divided by AN. Next, question number 7. The given figure, DE is parallel to BC, AE is equal to 15 cm, EC is equal to 9 cm, NC is equal to 6 cm and BN is equal to 24 cm. Write all possible pairs of similar triangles is the first question. Second one is find length of ME and DM. Here first we want to find out all the possible pairs of similar triangles. So that is our first question. For that we are considering triangles. So first we can consider triangle ADM and triangle ABN. This triangle ADM and ABN. Since DE is parallel to BC, angle ADM will be equal to angle ABN, since these two are parallel lines. DE and BC are parallel and AB is the transversal. So these two are the corresponding angles. So we can write angle ADE is equal to angle ABN, corresponding angles. Then angle A is common in both the triangles. So angle A is equal to angle A, that is angle ADM, ABN triangle and ADM triangle we are considering. So this angle A is common for both the triangles. So we can write angle A is equal to angle A common. So we can write triangle ADM is similar to triangle ABN using AA postulate. So one triangle we find out as these two triangles are similar triangles. Same way we can find out the other triangles are similar or not. We want to check it. So for that, consider triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Triangle ADE and triangle ABC. ADE and ABC, both the triangles, angle A is common. So angle A is equal to angle A, we can write. Angle ADE and angle ABC. Now only we discussed from the first part that these two angles are equal since they are corresponding angles. So we can write angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles. So we can say that this triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So first we consider this small triangles, then big triangle. So next what we want to consider? We can consider the next triangle. Which one? This one. AME and ANC. Same concept we can apply here. A is common. So A common. Then AME and ANE are equal. Since DE is parallel to BC, these two are the corresponding angles. So these two angles will be equal. So we can directly write AME is similar to triangle ANC. So we got three pairs of similar triangles. So which are the three pairs? First we consider this triangle ADM and ABN. ADM and ABN. Second we consider this whole triangle, that is ADE and ABC. Third we consider AME and ANC. So first part is write all the possible pairs of similar triangle. Okay. Then second one is we want to find out the length of ME and DM. Since we have three pairs of similar triangles from the first part, that is first pair is ADM is similar to ABN, we can write AD divided by AB is equal to DM divided by BN. Let it be equation number 1. The next similar triangle is AME is similar to ANC. We already find out from the first part. So AE divided by AC is equal to ME divided by NC. Let it be equation number 2. And also we have ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So we can write the proportionality AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. Let it be equation number 3. Combining these three equations, DM by BN is equal to AD by AB. DM by BN is equal to AD by AB. That, look at equation number 3, that AD by AB is equal to what? AE by AC. So we are joining this AD by AB. That AD by AB is equal to what? AE by AC. So AE by AC up to this. Okay. Then look at equation number 2. That AE by AC is equal to what? ME by NC. So we want to find out the value of what? Length of DM and ME. So what are the measures given? We have, if you are taking these two, AE we have, AE is what? AE is 15 we have. Then what about AC? AC will be what? AC is sum of what? AC is sum of AE and EC. So which will be what? 15 plus 9 is equal to ME. ME we want to find out. And what about DM? DM also we don't know. So ME is what? ME divided by NC. NC, what about NC? NC is given as what? 6 cm. So if you are taking this one, we can substitute the values. That is AE is given as 15 divided by AC. The whole length is 15 plus 9 is equal to ME we want to find out, and NC from the question itself it is 6. Okay, so calculate that. You will get as 15 divided by 15 plus 9 is 24 is equal to ME divided by 6. So cross multiply. 24 ME is equal to 15 into 6. ME is equal to 15 into 6 divided by 24. 6 and 24 4 times we can cancel. So 6 and 24 4 times. So 15 divided by 4 remaining. 15 divided by 4 is 3.75. That is ME is equal to 3.75. That we want to find out. Find the length of ME. Next we want to find out DM. So how can we find DM? Look at DM. What are the measures given? So for finding DM, we combine these three equations and we got this one. No? So look at equation number 1 and equation number 3. We want DM we need. So DM divided by BN is equal to AD divided by AB. That AD divided by AB is there in equation number 3. So we can directly write what? DM divided by BN. We can write it as what? AE divided by AC. Why? Because DM divided by BN is AD by AB. That AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So we can directly write DM by BN is equal to AE by AC. So what are the things given? DM we want to find out. So DM divided by, what about BN? Look at the figure. BN is given as 24. 24 is equal to AE is what? 15. AE 15 divided by AC. Now we got AC, yes, no? 15 plus 9, that is 24. So next step, what we want to write? So do the calculation. DM divided by 24 is equal to 15 divided by 24. 15 plus 9 is 24. So cross multiply. So 24 DM is equal to 15 into 24. So no need of multiplying since we have 24. So DM is equal to 15 into 24 divided by 24. So 24 cancel. So DM is equal to 15 centimeter, that we want to find out. So we got ME as 3.75 and DM is equal to 15. Okay, thank you.